Hi, welcome to the project Electronic Notice Board controlled through Android app, or it is also called Digital Notice Board controlled through wireless technique. The message is displayed on a rolling display using matrix LED. So we have used 6 matrix LEDs. Matrix LED 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is a one single matrix LED display. At a time it displays 8 characters. You can use any Android app to control the messages which are displayed on the matrix LED display. So I'll give you the demonstration. Right now the matrix LED is showing the message as welcome, and here I am sending the message as project demo. So here you can see the project demo message is sent from the Android app and it is displayed on the matrix display. The message from the Android app is sent to this particular Bluetooth receiver, and from this Bluetooth receiver it is given to the microcontroller. This is 89S51 microcontroller. Then this microcontroller displays that particular message on the LCD display, and at the same time it sends it to the matrix rolling LED display. This is the transformer and this is the power supply part. The communication protocol used between the matrix display and microcontroller is serial communication. At the same time, serial communication is used between the Bluetooth receiver and the microcontroller. Now again I will send another message. So I'll send the message as hello. So here I have typed message as hello and I am sending it to the microcontroller. So you can see the hello message is displayed on the matrix LED display. So that's all about the demonstration of the project Digital Notice Board controlled using Android app using the Bluetooth technology. Thank you.